Hey there, nice to meet you all guys. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into. If you've ever wanted to customize your category pages and make them unique, you have come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, we will guide you step by step through the process. But before we dive in, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. So we are starting with a completely fresh installation of WordPress. The first thing first we have to do is to install a theme. So we go to Appearance and Themes. Here we will add new theme, and this time we'll go with Hello Elementor. Click Install and click Activate. The theme is successfully activated. Now, for this tutorial, we will use Elementor and Elementor Pro to edit and design our category pages. So we have to install a plugin Elementor. So go to Plugins, Add New, search Plugins and type Elementor. This plugin by Elementor.com is the official plugin, so install it. Click Install now. And click Activate. So you're here. Just skip this step for the moment. Now we need to install also Elementor Pro. Now, to install Elementor Pro plugin, you have to create an account at Elementor and purchase a plan. I have purchased a plan earlier, so I won't go through that process again. So go to Elementor account page and click this button at the right top corner. Download Elementor Pro Expert. Now, go Plugins. Click Add New and click Upload Plugin. Click Choose File and select the zip file you downloaded from Elementor. Click on it and click Open. Install now. The Elementor Pro is installed successfully, so you have to activate it. Elementor Pro is activated. After the activation of Elementor Pro, there is a Connect and Activate link. Click that link and connect your Elementor account with this installation of Elementor. And click Activate my license. The license, as you see, is activated successfully. So we have completed the setup of Elementor and Elementor Pro. Now, go to Posts and create a new post by clicking Add New. Here you have to type your title of your blog post. I will type mine. And here, and click here under the title to type the blog post. Now our blog post content is ready. So I want to add a category. Just go to right panel, Categories, Add New Categories, and type a new category name. I will type this category Sport. Click Add New, and automatically the sport is checked. Also, I want to add a featured image. So I click to Feature Image and set the featured image. I want to upload a new image, so I select Files and I upload a new file. I set this image as a featured image of this post. Now my post is completed, so I want to publish it. Click Publish and again click Publish. Now let's go to Posts by clicking this WordPress icon and go to Categories. As you see, a new category is created here. Now I want to edit this category and the way how it's looked like. As you see, the category sports just show the posts in an awful way. So we will design it in a beautiful way. Let's go to dashboard, go to templates and click theme builder. These are the templates of Elementor. For the categories, we have to create an archive template. So go to archive and click add new. Now, these are some ready to go templates offered by Elementor Pro, but we will create one from the beginning, so we will not choose any of them. Just close this window. This is the place where we have to be creative. So we will start with creating a simple layout of archive. By clicking here plus, I will create a structure here. I want my structure at the beginning to be just a section. And here I will put my elements. Now I want to add my archive title here. So I go here at the left panel, click these boxes and drag and drop archive title. Now I want to show simply my posts in a horizontal way. So I will click these boxes again and drag and drop archive posts. And as you see, my post is shown. I will click edit, archive posts, and here are the layouts and styles. I will start with the skin. I want the skin to be like cards. I want just 3 columns of posts vertically, and I want to show image. I want to show the excerpt. I will show the read more button, but I will type the text of button as see more. I also want to show the badge here, and the badge taxonomy I choose to be categories. And also I will not show the avatar. At the pagination, I want the paginations to be just numbers and the page limit to be 6. At the style, the layout is fine for me. I will go to the card. I will not set a color as a background color. Also, I will not set a color for border. Box shadow, I want to be active, and hover effect to be gradient. So when we hover over any post, it will have an animation here, as you see. At the image, I want to lower the spacing from title to image at 10. I want the badge position to left, and I will change the background color of badge to blue. I will change the color of title and make it black. At the typography, I just want for the title to be uppercase, so I will click transform and select uppercase. For the excerpt, I will just change the color and make it more lighter. Also, I will change the color of read more button. I will make it as the badge color. So I will select color sampler, select the badge color, click this color, and as you see, the button color is the same as the badge color. So I think it's fine for me. I will click publish. I will add condition. I will select categories, and I want this template to be set only for the sport category. So I will click here all, type the search box and type sport. I will select sport category and I will click save and close. Now the template is published. Now we are in the dashboard of WordPress. I will go to posts and I will go to categories. Now I want to view the sport category. So I click view, and as you see, the designs are set. You can see the title here, category sport, and the posts are designed in the way we want it. And there you have it, folks. This is how to edit category pages in WordPress with Elementor. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more stuff. Go ahead, get creative, happy editing.